In this video, we're going to go over the first lesson of vehicle finance. So in this first lesson, we're going to talk about purchasing a vehicle. So when you're buying a car, there are two prices you need to know. The first is the base price. This is the price that the dealer is going to advertise. So this is the price when you go up to the dealership and you see a price written right on a car, or a price advertised in the newspaper or on the Auto Trader app, any of those places. This is the price you're going to see, but you're always going to pay more than this price. Now the sticker price is what you will actually pay. So it's going to be the price of the car, but it will also include all options that you select. So for example, if you're buying a new car and you want to upgrade to leather seats or a model with a sunroof or a four-wheel drive or any of those extras, you're going to have to pay for those on top of the base price, and you're usually going to have to pay freight charges of around $1,400. Again, this is most commonly when you're purchasing a new vehicle. So for example here, Nate wants to buy a new 2021 Ford Mustang. The base price is $23,999, and he wants to get an automatic transmission, which is going to cost $1,400, a block heater, and freight costs of $1,550. Determine the sticker price of the car. So in order to calculate the sticker price, all you're going to do is take the base price, $23,999, and add all of these extra charges. So $1,400 for the transmission upgrade, $140 for a block heater, and $1,550 for freight. So the sticker price of the vehicle would be $27,089. And then, of course, you would have to pay tax on that as well. So we'll talk about that in a second. If you have an old car, though, that you want to get rid of, you can trade it in at the dealership and get some money towards your new car. The price that you get from your old car will usually be less than what you could get for selling it, so you could sell it privately instead. The dealership will usually give you a little bit less than that, but it can be really convenient. You don't have to advertise your car or worry about selling it, and you also don't have to worry about getting your car safetied. So a safety is an inspection you normally have to get before selling a vehicle privately. The trade-in value of your vehicle will be subtracted from the price of the car before the taxes are added. So you don't have to pay tax on that difference. So a little note here on taxes. When you purchase a car from a dealership, you will pay PST and GST. So currently, that is 12% tax. In a private sale, you will only pay PST, and you will pay PST through AutoPack or MPI when you go to register the vehicle. And they will calculate the PST based on the book value of the car. So the tax will not be calculated based on what you actually pay for it. It will be based on what the book value is of the vehicle, meaning the value of the vehicle in the market. When you're selling a car privately, as I mentioned, you will also have to get a safety, which is basically an inspection of the vehicle to make sure everything is working properly. So they will check things like your brakes, your tires, lights, the exhaust system, seat belts, steering, pretty much everything related to the car to make sure that it is functioning and is going to drive safely for the person who buys it from you. A safety costs around $50 plus only GST, which is 5%. And in order for you to pass the safety inspection, you may have to do repairs. So they will not give you a safety, and you will not be able to sell your vehicle until everything that might be an issue is resolved. So if we look at example 2, it says Nate, from the previous example, the one we did with the Ford Mustang, is deciding to trade in his old car. Its trade-in value is $4,000. The sticker price of his new car, we calculated already, was $27,089. Determine what he will pay, including taxes. So as I mentioned, you will take your sticker price of your vehicle and subtract the trade-in value before you add taxes. So the value here would be $23,089, and then with tax, remember to add tax, $23,000. Now this was a new vehicle, so $23,089, and we can multiply by 1.12 to get the total with tax. So the total with tax is $25,859.68. That will be the total for the vehicle with tax. If we look at example 3, it says Jessica has purchased a car privately for $8,500. The book value of the car is $9,300. Calculate how much PST she will need to pay to AutoPack when she registers the car. So remember, when you're purchasing a car privately, you will just pay one tax to AutoPack or Manitoba Public Insurance when you go to register the car, and they will calculate the tax on the book value of the car. So PST is 7%, so we will need to find 7% of the book value. Now this is only asking you how much PST. So just the tax. So I'm going to multiply by 0.07. Remember, when I multiply by 1.12, this is the price with the tax. If you want just the tax, we use 0. So $9,300 times 0.07 is $651 in taxes. So those are the basics on purchasing a car.